YouTube Rando here. Just wanted to give another little update on the weather. Still looking pretty crappy. We just had a flash flood warning come through, and supposedly it's supposed to rain pretty bad here in a minute, and hopefully you'll get to see the kind of stuff we put up with every time it rains down here. And it's usually just me and my neighbor next to me, and that poor sap, his house is on a foundation on the ground, and every time it floods, his whole house gets flooded. I feel bad for the guy, but my house usually don't flood. It's done it maybe one time in the past 20 years, so I don't know. We'll come back and show you what we end up with. Starting to puddle right there pretty good, but it always does, because like I said in a previous video, my alley, it runs like a little river, and it all meets up right there. And there's a manhole under there that will end up shooting water out of it sometimes. So we'll be back.